this is little Idy here, and this is Lina here, and this is my son Wesley sleeping here, already fell asleep. And we've been training Idy and Lina to be gentle with children, and so they sleep with him at night. And little Idy here is doing well, but she's a little shy in the beginning, and with loud noises, she gets a little startled for a little bit. And Lina, so you can see that Idy's pretty small in size, and Lina here, she's very, very submissive. Hey, come. And she's eating rawhide, no foot aggression, no treat aggression. You could just take the foot off her mouth and wagging tail. Hey Lina, can you go sit? Can you go sit? So with the tail, you can see that it's just a little bit more relaxed and wagging tail, and Idy is a little bit just a little bit more shy than Lina, but of course Lina spent a little more time in her home. Come girl. And that's what Lina did when you try to catch her. She's totally submissive in a very submissive position, and she would open her legs. Open her legs. Down, down. Sit, sit. Sit, sit. Yeah. Lina, come. Look at the wagging tail. And you want to come too. 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 So they're all pretty good. Idy here, just a little bit probably more time in the beginning with the children, and some supervision and guidance. And Lina's absolutely relaxed and very submissive. But when both of them, when you know them, they're pretty sweet, just very gentle and sweet and very submissive.